Hi guys, welcome to Food Fantasy World. Today we are making crispy fish fry without using maida or corn flour. Pomfret fish 1 kg, red chilli powder 2 tablespoon, garlic powder 1 tablespoon, salt as per taste, cumin powder 1 tablespoon, lemon juice 1 tablespoon. Mix everything, make fine. Marinate the fish for 15 minutes. Semolina 1 cup. Coat evenly on all sides. Oil for frying. Fry fish on medium heat until changes color. Some benefits of pomfret fish: rich in omega fatty acids, moderate in fat content. It provides calcium, magnesium and potassium, rich in vitamin B12 and B3 and also vitamin D. If you guys like my video, please like, share and subscribe. Please press bell icon. Whenever I upload new video, get notified. Thanks for watching. See ya. Bye.